When I think about the company EnvisionTEC and how it's changed 3D printing, it's an incredible change.
3D printers from EnvisionTEC are the magic wand that allow you to provide the really accurate, aesthetic, and timely result.
The potential of EnvisionTEC technology is pretty profound.
If you can think limitlessly, this technology gives you the technique to actually be that designing giant that you wouldn't be able to speculate about or to dream of.
All of our additive technology systems are mature technologies, they're well documented, and they're stable platforms, and they're very cost effective.
Our customers appreciate the ability to move from design to actual working part in a timely fashion.
We have materials that are of high heat resistance. We have high impact materials. And we have elastomeric materials.
The speed is awesome. Time is the most valuable part of production.
It's the overall speed of printing, the level of details, the size of the part, the low maintenance of the machine, all these things combined.
And using the EnvisionTEC bioplotter, we get a precision that we cannot achieve using other standard production methods.
The bioplotter really has helped achieve the goals in my lab. It really lowers the cost, increases the complexity and versatility of what can be 3D printed.
The EnvisionTEC printer and all the amazing things that it's capable of has been great for us because we can make a stop-motion puppet much more complex.
By having a system like the Veritas RAM system, you essentially have your model in the digital domain. You can print that part on demand only when you need to.
It allows us to warehouse our customers' design on a thumb drive or a hard drive.
This technology allows you to keep your designs, your intellectual property, all of your work within your company. And you could reproduce it anytime you want.
The speed, detail, repeatability, castability gives you that confidence to be able to move your production forward.
EnvisionTEC 3D printing is the standard way that we make dental restorations. Not only crowns, but with complete dentures and partial dentures as well.
It's definitely a greener technology. It's very much environmentally friendly when we compare it to the way we used to build products.
Today, EnvisionTEC technology is the cutting edge, the greatest and the best for on-demand manufacturing, rapid prototyping process.
And the Envision One is something that you have to incorporate if you're going to lose out.
So the advancements that EnvisionTEC have made are astounding. There's really no limit to what you can print. And I'm excited to see what EnvisionTEC comes up with next.